Hello again, we've got another product review here. Today I'm going to be talking about an E-SATA cable. It's got a USB port on one end, 3.0, which is compatible with the 3.0, or you can plug it into the 2.0. And on the other end, it's basically, what it has is the ends that fit the SATA hard drive. And it's much easier to use this instead of trying to find a desktop, pull the cover off, add a SATA cable, find a power source and plug it in. You can do it that way, but this is so much easier and saves so much time. This was relatively inexpensive. I think this was about $5, maybe $6. So all you do is plug it in just like this, SATA hard drive, and you plug it in the USB port on the side. We'll give it a minute to load up. It's found it, it's picking it up. Installing driver software now. Should be ready momentarily. Alright. And most of the time these hard drives will have an autoplay function on it. So I'm expecting to see a couple of boxes pop up here. But maybe they won't. Maybe it's taking too long. Just go to my computer. And there it is. Well, there's the boxes I was looking for. It was just taking a little longer than expected. And it's, yep, autoplay. And there it is. I've got the hard drive, the recovery, the system reserve. Everything that's on this hard drive is now visible on the laptop. It's an easy way if your computer crashes and you need to get your personal files on it and it just won't boot up to let you do it. This E-SATA cord cable, you can pop that hard drive out, plug it up to another machine, reach in there and pull all your personal files out, save them to a backup, and you're ready to roll.